Here we have Gracie playing with Lucky, trying to feed him some stones. Lucky's had a fun trip. Oh, Luck. Hey. Are your hands dirty? Well, how'd they get so dirty? What were you doing?
They put stones in the mouth.
You were trying to put stones in Lucky's mouth?
Yeah.
And they got dirty?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we'll wash them in a little bit because we're going to stay out here and play. Or we're going in. No what? Do you want to open the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I come in? Knock, knock. Well, hello. Camera work is not the best here.
Change paper.
Do we need to change your diaper?